Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine in your home. Let's move on the topic medicinal plants. Plan for future uses. What is medicinal plant? Medicinal plants refer to using a plant seeds, berries, roots, leaves, bark or flowers for medicinal purpose. For example, tulsi, aloe vera and turmeric. Medicinal plants are plants that have a recognized medical use. Their use ranges the protection of mainstream pharmaceutical products to herbal medicine preparations. Herbal medicine is one of the oldest forms of medical treatment in human history and could be considered one of the forerunners of the modern pharmaceutical trade. First one is tulsi, good blood purifier, preventive against malaria and dengue fever. Chewing tulsi leaves relieves cold and flu. Chewing 12 leaves of basil twice a day, it prevents stress. The leaves are a nerve tonic and also sharpen memory. Decoction of the leaves, honey and ginger, it effective remedy for bronchitis, asthma, influenza, cold and cough. Juice of basil leaves and honey, if we take regularly for 6 months, it expels renal stone via the urinary tract. Second one is neem. Neem inhibits allergic reaction when applied externally or eaten. Oral doses of neem leaf extracts reduced insulin requirements by between 13% and 15% for diabetes. Neem extracts give significant protection from discomfort and speed the healing of gastric problems. Neem quickly kills external parasites, and a neem decoction is safer and just as effective as standard treatments for head lice and sebaceous. Aloe vera, curcumin. Green leaves contain olive gel and a sticky yellow residue called latex. It also helps healing burn, wound. It also treats sunburn also. Radiation induced skin reactions. Olive with conditioner for silkier, smoother hair. Take orally to reduce cholesterol and triglycerides for a healthy heart. Fourth one is bringraj, the main herb for the hair care and cirrhosis, works to rejuvenate kidneys and liver. As oil, it treats graying and balding, makes the hair darker, and promotes deep sleep. It also improves complexion. The root powder is used for treating hepatitis, enlarged spleen, and skin disorders. Anti-inflammatory properties. The herb is also used for treating hyperacidity. Turmeric. It stimulates digestion. It also boosts liver function. Curcumin helps to reducing breast cancer risks among women. When paired with vitamin D, curcumin may help protect against Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin can protect against liver damage also. Ginger. Ginger has stomach soothing effects, easing post surgery nausea and vomiting. When we sipping ginger tea can help calm an upset stomach as well as ease congestion when you have got a cold. Ginger extract may slow the growth of colorectal and ovarian cancer cells. Useful in treating chronic inflammation because it partially inhibits two important enzymes that play a role in inflammation gone away, such as glyco, glycooxygenase and 5-lipooxygenase enzymes. Amla to stimulate appetites. Use pickles and preserves made from the green fruits for hemorrhage, diarrhea, and dysentery. Seed fried in ghee and ground in kanji is applied as lip to the forehead to stop bleeding from the nose. It also helpful for hiccup and for painful respiration. Use juice or extract of the fruit combined with honey and pipili. Due to vitamin C and polyphenols is an antioxidant. It also benefits for hearts, heart, eyes and brain. Next one is lavender. Using unsweetened tea as a hair rinse to help reduce hair loss and dandruff. Using the dried flowers in sleep and dream pillows in potpourris, sachet and tucked in drawers to freshen clothing and repel moths. Putting a few drops of oil into the warm bath water for a refreshing and relaxing treat. The stems with the leaves stripped can be burned like an incense stick and can also be used in craft such as basket weaving and making lavender wands, bouquet. A rub down of lavender oil before retiring to bed has been used to relieve nighttime leg muscle spasms. A few drops of oil rubbed into the skin has been used traditionally to ease neurologic pain. The straw stems of dried lavender have been burned in bundles as a deodorant and disinfectant in sick rooms. Ninth one, Brahmi. Anxiety, neurosis, irritability, and insomnia associated with stress. Study, poor memory and concentration, work related mental fatigue, poor brain function after head trauma, asthma and bronchial spasms, and inflammation. Possess anti-cancer activity. Bale. It has gastroprotection properties and control of diabetes and also control the cholesterol. It having microbial properties, antimicrobial properties and anti-inflammatory properties. It also having constipation properties, dysentery and diarrhea. Peppermint. Peppermint leaf tea is used for relief of an upset stomach. Mint oils can actually dissolve gallstones. It is imperative to maintain a low fat diet. lose weight, and exercise regularly to help the peppermint oil work best. Used as an appetite stimulant. For a refreshing and cleansing facial wash. The last one is henna. Henna is effectively used in the treatment of rheumatic arthritis. The bark of the plant is quite effective in the treatment of dysentery. The bark is used in treating several liver disorders and jaundice. Paste of flour mixed with vinegar is quite relieving in case of headache. Henna leaf is very useful in promoting hair growth. A henna leaf boiled with mustard oil is applied in the hairs to stimulate the growth. Henna leaves are quite useful in the treatment of various skin disorders like skin burns, boils, eczema, scabies, fungal infections, and vitiligo. Henna is also used for the treatment of inflammation, bruises, and leprosy. The oil of the fruit is used traditionally to treat the disorder of liver and diaphragm. The leaves are now for the treatment of typhoid and hemorrhages. It is also useful in sore throat. Benefits of useful plants. They cost less. The rising cost of prescription drugs have led the people to look for alternatives because of cost. While medicinal herbs may not be as strong or as fast acting as conventional medicine, there is a growing body of scientific evidence that shows their efficacy and in what doses. They may have fewer side effects. While the side effects of any herbal medication depend on the drug in question. Many have fewer side effects than conventional medicine. For example, St. John's wort, which is used for mild to moderate depression, has fewer side effects than most other prescriptive antidepressants. There is a choice on how to use them. Medicinal herbs can be used in a variety of ways, depending on the kind of herb that is to be used. Some herbs can be mixed with food. Some can be made into tea. And there are some that are available in capsule or tablet form. They are good for more than one condition. Most prescriptive drugs are designed for one specific health problem. By contrast, many herbal medicine act on several parts of body at once. For example, ginkgo is good for circulatory disorders and also nerve disorders. Advantages. It's having following advantages. First one, with a growing interest in the health and wellness, alternative medicines are becoming increasingly popular worldwide. Second one, it also with the increasing prices of prescriptions medicine, herbal medicines are often cheaper than their conventional medicine counterparts. Third one, in addition, a growing body of scientific research shows that herbal medicines can be highly effective for certain diseases and conditions. Moreover, as research in this area increases, the optimum doses for herbal medicines are known to ever greater accuracy. Conclusion: medicinal herbs can be a good alternative for many diseases and conditions. They are low cost and tend to have fewer side effects. Moreover, they can be bought in health food shops, pharmacies, and online without the need of prescription. However, herbal medicines can still have unwanted health effects, especially when used in combination with other drugs. If you are using more than one herbal medicine or using them for a serious condition, it's best to consult with a naturopath or established herbalist. It's also important to tell your physician that you are using an alternative medicine to prevent drug interaction. Thank you.